Hey, what's going on, everybody? I just entered a trade on USDCHF. I'm going to be explaining why. So, we go to a 2 hour. I entered right here after this bearish engulfing candle pattern. Um, so let's start with the futures chart. So we can see on the adjusted chart, we are on to a monthly. We have this drop base rally. We're inside this monthly demand zone. On the weekly, we have this drop base rally, a drop base rally inside of the zone as well. And then on the daily, we have this rally base rally that is more or less like a flip zone. Yeah, it could be considered as a flip zone. Okay, and it's reacting off that zone. It gave us a beautiful um, bullish variation pattern. Okay, now let's discuss the fundamentals. So on the unadjusted chart, it's basically the same thing, but we don't have a monthly, if I'm not mistaken, we don't have a monthly demand. Actually, we could consider this. Actually, we could consider this as a monthly demand. It could be. Let me just, because if we analyze this, let's put a little bit. We could see that we have this strong bearish candle, and then we have this. It could be considered a decisive candle, but this one is definitely an undecisive candle, followed by a strong move to the upside. So maybe, just maybe, oops, no, maybe this. It's rally base rally. Hmm. Actually, it's also reacting off this um, EMA. So let's continue. So on the weekly, we have this. Exactly. We have this. Sorry, this rally base rally, or actually we have this drop base rally, which price pierced which price pierced uh, through that zone, and then on the daily, it touched the wider version of this drop, or maybe it could be like this drop, or maybe not. So this is a drop, the base and the rally, and it touched to perfection the daily demand zone. Okay, so yeah, so why am I interested in this trade? So we have the technicals, also the 200 EMA is touching price. Um, Retailers are extremely bearish, excuse me, extremely bearish. Look at the Look at their behavior. They're extremely bearish. And also the fund managers are creating a massive divergence. Well, it's not that massive, but it's clearly a divergence. So they're doing like they're buying right here, and then here on the chart, we're seeing a sell-off. So we're doing a different thing down here. The fund managers are doing a different thing down here than what the price is doing. So that's considered a divergence. Okay. Oh, let me click. So, and also we have seasonality telling us that price will have a move to the upside on the coming days. Look at here. Around the 9th or the 8th, we could see a move to the upside. Look at this move to the upside. So we also have seasonality in our favor. Now let's go to USDCHF so I can explain why I entered the trade. Let's see the monthly. Um, so we could argue that we have a monthly demand zone right here too. This rally, and then the base, and then drop. Actually, the monthly is also touching price currently. Then the weekly, we have this rally. All this would be the base, and then we have a drop. The 200 the EMA is touching, and then on the daily we have a beautiful touch of we have this beautiful rally base drop, and price just touched this zone perfectly with this, and it gave us a bearish variation pattern. All right, and so what was I looking for on the 120? I was looking for a bearish engulfing. We saw a break of structure. We were doing higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. It broke. It broke those lows. Unfortunately, it didn't break these lows down here. Okay, didn't break the lows down here, but it broke these two lows on the on trading view. You can see it better. Look, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and it broke these two lows. And price is actually dropping very nicely right now. And yeah, that was what I was looking for. And then it gave us a printed a bearish engulfing, a beautiful bearish engulfing, and you guys can see also that we the EMA broke, the moving averages broke. So now the moving averages are above price. Okay, so it's creating this beautiful head and shoulders. This is the right shoulder. So hopefully we break the neckline to continue to go to the downside. Okay, this is a swing trade. It's going to be a beautiful swing trade. Also, I must mention that in 3 hours, we do have CPI for the CHF for the Swiss franc. So this is gonna make price a little volatile. It's supposed to be. It's interest rates. Basically, it's a data. It's a fundamental data that tells us how um, inflation is in uh, Switzerland. I forgot where the Swiss franc was from Switzerland. Now, so see, we might be expecting a lot of volatility. Um, very soon. So yeah, if this candle, this 4 hour candle closes as a bearish engulfing, it's also a great sign. I don't know why this is right here, but I'll just move it down here to notify me that we created a lower low. So once we break down here, we create a lower low, and we can actually put our stops to break even. I'm not gonna do it. If we Well, actually, where should I put my stops break even? I think I should maybe, let me see. I could put my stops to break even around this. We have a strong support and resistance right here. I might put my stop loss to break even around that zone because also we have a demand, this rally base rally. I might put it down here. Let me let me just put here. This is why it's important to have the pro version of TradingView. It gives you the opportunity to set up um maximum 10 alarms. Um breaking breaking support slash demand zone. Lovely, lovely. So yeah, yes. So yeah. The take profit still figuring it out. Not sure if I'm gonna hold for a 1 to 5. We have a demand zone right here also. Also, we have a demand zone right here. See on the weekly. Yeah, I'm probably gonna hold, oops, probably gonna hold until maybe here. 1 to 4 risk reward. Maybe, maybe. So I'll see. But the important thing is that we're in this trade already and it's looking solid. It's looking solid for now. Let's see if it closes as an engulfing on the 4 hour time frame. That'll be amazing. All right, guys. See you in the next one.